Château Mouton Rothschild is a classified first growth of the famous 1855 classification of the wines of Bordeaux, more precisely of the wines of Médoc, classified in 1855 as a Premier Grand Cru Classé, so first growth, one of the best wines in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Château Mouton Rothschild. So how do you go about pronouncing Château Mouton Rothschild? Well, first mou, O-U, in French forming the sound ou, and then ton. Ton. Do not emphasize too much on the final N of mouton. Do not say mouton. Do not say mouton, but rather mouton. Mouton. And then Rothschild. It is fine to pronounce the name Rothschild with an English pronunciation, Rothschild, but the typical French pronunciation would be Château Mouton Rothschild. Château Mouton Rothschild, Château Mouton Rothschild. I made a complete winery tour video of the famous and superb Chateau winery, Château Mouton Rothschild. Make sure to have a look around at this tour so you have an idea of what it actually looks like inside Château Mouton Rothschild. And if you do visit Bordeaux region someday, I definitely recommend you stop by at Mouton, but have a look around at this video to make up your own mind about the Château Mouton Rothschild. Make sure to have a look around my YouTube channel if you like learning more about wine, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Give this video a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers.